MDC Alliance leader Nelson Chamisa is Wednesday expected to plunge into the proverbial lion's den as he takes his political campaigns to Mashonaland West, a traditional Zanu PF stronghold. According to insiders, the opposition leader, who last week escaped a suspected assassination attempt in Muter, will descend on Huringu district, Mashonaland West province to drum up support ahead of the crucial 2023 harmonized elections. Sources told New Zimbabwe, MDC Alliance provincial chairman, Ralph Maganj, and his executive met at the party's offices in Chinhoyi to make logistical arrangements ahead of the presidential hopeful's visit. The president, Chamisa, will be in Mashonaland West starting Wednesday, when he is expected to meet opinion leaders, including chiefs, in Huringu. "I am not privy to the full itinerary, but he will tour specific rural constituencies and make brief stopovers along the journey," an MDC Alliance official who requested anonymity said. The opposition movement said it is wary of machinations to try and disrupt Chamisa's tour as witnessed in Masvingo and Mashonaland provinces. State security agents have been put on high alert ahead of the MDC Alliance president's highly anticipated visit. Sources said Central Intelligence Organization (CIO) operatives, military and police intelligence agents were heavily deployed in areas such as Nyabira and Banket, where Zanu PF activists are reportedly planning to cause drama. Zanu PF has reportedly mobilized supporters to doorstep Chamisa with anti-sanctions demands, among others.